Oda ko chinen lok mo kena matika kati kumbeda bidi kitika watching dano maguno awano me gudi kumbeti icha bira chele kanti o aye mia ngwen ki pira ngwen we bira icha bir acel pat ikena eno ne magoto ne tie pira bi chel we bira maguno awano marac tie mia rio ki pira dak we bich kidong mapego wana ne marac tie pira bira we bira eni na mamala mal pola kara wachini awano me gudi accident beru itumwaga Mano danti weta can ping me chero. Karama you're traveling up country. And in his mid-year part, ngoma tikila one ma tutwal just in 1 week, 447 cases. Duong.
Atamane la local police was very clear. He report mamegi one kiti waini down to kangwaj marac kimotaka. Overspeeding. Me ario. Ingwejo you want to overtake. Overtaking any meeting where you can't get money in we are not getting any wage. In the process, it take a wage matek, it take a wage mapetic and yanketa good take where Naramoni Bino Tuara Kumi or go you wouldn't war. Me a dirk or watch dano take a teach kichim, manogatic and white kimota. Eating wage speed marac, it teach him manoc caro 1 minute off the road.
Pata necha isane mai wa char kalem wori ne atero ne fina kila mera I gene party palotiano money so don't wadu go late kene cha bija bichel kene part what I traffic jam ping ti late by on a Sunday night ka bebe don't ti biana bichela beer gene piano I party palotiano late jalma ti dwo matakane ti dwo ne wai bena pe ka parne raise speed dwa speed raise speed dwa speed o kama ende traffic light chung tie mere chi me mo ti go mere chi mo ma gate steering ko ngar mo no bi ne ka ngej mano me ramo overtaking you ramo gene ramming over in.
Now that's the problem. PM teach kichim me tika doye mataka is what we call distracted driving. Ne ini ro mete gam SMS mon makichwele ni ento ibi taw ma pe neno PM ngatatik dano mati yo duong in keniko dano duong every road user needs to be respected matika ngwache wheelchair matika wat kitiene matika ngwache piri matika ngwache kilela in metika ngwache kimotaka ni ko tika ngwache kimotaka makini dano miro ware yo
speed governors we poke armo and ma traffic police go kele local speed governors come speed governor pem taka ni paying when you to don taxis no passenger vans.
Why it happened like that? And it became a business. And Uganda kagi mono da biachara, lo tela ne berutie, lo lo ne berutie, jamamier no ye profit berutie. Ento kumberi wamier waji down it's a responsibility. In Anari, I've taken almost, I think 4 years per year taxi. So I don't know anything in a taxi. Like 4 years. I'm either on a border, I'm either on an Uber, or I am driving. At the end of the day, public passenger van de chalo taxis kingogni ginma ero kate chero guluma mo no mira chere abin wajo ke pere onyo chera ero baj
but
baj pe ema pa chero ka
there is no exclusion whether we man any report mukarine Abili beti wachi borders are to blame motorcycles are to blame piana gena causing confusion bedong maloyo where joti do mtaka getting messed up the do taxis no and buses begiti here in and buses mo colliding madung yogulu you kama kana so any affects all users kiti watching magoto pier yo bichedi chabira chel ben a pedestrians so perama wachi pian petu ki passenger van maybe you're excluded even border mere ye and be get door kid and yana wana ne na ti behind you but and yana ki door ki away par jona tingo pe jok ngara di door kid ko
ena ti wachini there are instances where you have control. Ini watch wamambeni inki beri border. Take beri ni tap watch speed kendeza.
Ba speed.
That is control over your life. Tima ini beri ma take control. Eno tima ini you are everything in it. Ket kong ni ini a driver. Ini ati charugulu ane a driver, ane a controller, ane a gimone can. There's that temptation ni ati cannot let me do it like this. That is the assumption matter waita. Donc kaki wajini discipline miro betie wajini anba nen chalo mira ngwaje speed ma command.
Donc chalo example me mi wala woni part ka dano tamane de ti late mir Chon, where over and Chon.
But
That
that's-
in a late, he care down when under pressure, a chako dot la could overtaking Mugama Pebian and okay, tell description, maybe a word. To Macabeo, Nen Malera.
Of course, Kenyan or Kira John Chano talk with Emma. In Piramo, load my dirty Nimi, you take a do a wish, you made a cat load my dirt, you take it down habitually, ye, trailer take a beanie loom, eat each other, trailer take beanie loom, trailer dirt con me a chair, lawyer making it one bitch. Trailer ma dirt
Era
ma
ko ni ko be deviating on the side.
Kama eno miro deviating ye kuma eni, trailer ko deviating nama venye kama tieni.
Yeah.
Ko deviating por regene a trench.
Yes.
Manyo ko por trench miro o donyi kenyu o causing problems kenyu. Kidong mi ario any trailer more between Coca-Cola ki gang more anytime ngo mo botime factory one or the and there's no space. If you've been to Namave, you understand
Yes.
what I'm. Can you ding ma lori piramo ye aki main road.
And wish you know me
Now, wish me ring we are deviating. Kama miro deviating yene, there's a climbing lane. Lorry ma dir ma tika biro
Oh my God.
Ingerekai. Manuti is caught between the racket of a lorry and a lorry, and then miro donyo or donyo kire, failing me negotiating. In the process, lorry biro iromera ire wiye. There's nothing you can do.